Imagine waking up in a world where you're not the only type of human anymore. No, not just cultural or ethnic differences, but entirely different species of humans. Homo sapiens Neanderthals, Denisovans Homo floresiensis. What if they all still walk the earth together? This isn't a sci-fi film. It's a glimpse into what the world could have been. Our species, Homo sapiens, wasn't always alone. Just 50,000 years ago, Earth was shared by at least 4 different human species. Neanderthals in Europe and Western Asia, Denisovans in parts of Siberia and Southeast Asia, Homo floresiensis, the hobbit humans of Indonesia, and of course us, the anatomically modern humans. We coexisted, we interacted, and in some cases we interbred. But over time, all of them disappeared, except us. Or what if they didn't? Now picture today's world, with 4 types of humans instead of 1. You walk into a workplace where your boss is a Neanderthal, broad-shouldered, highly strategic, and physically dominant. Your doctor? A Denisovan, known for genetic resilience to altitude and disease. Your neighbor? A tiny Homo floresiensis with unmatched adaptability to nature and isolation. Cities, governments, even schools would be restructured. Would we divide by species or learn to integrate? Would laws have to adapt to account for physical or neurological differences? Benefits? Absolutely. Each human species evolved with unique traits that could contribute to innovation, survival, and culture. Neanderthals had large brains and remarkable survival instincts. Denisovans had genetic advantages still present in modern Tibetans. Homo floresiensis might have taught us more about sustainability and simplicity. But with that comes tension. Would Homo sapiens dominate again? Would we exploit or marginalize the others? Could species-based discrimination become a global issue? The question isn't just science, it's sociology, ethics, and geopolitics. Here's the twist. Even though those species are extinct, they live on inside us. Modern humans carry Neanderthal and Denisovan DNA, proof that these species weren't enemies. They were family. So maybe this thought experiment isn't so far-fetched. Maybe it tells us that diversity is already written into our DNA, that the world we live in, where cooperation and empathy are vital, is built on the shoulders of many kinds of humans, not just one. So, what if 4 types of humans still walk the earth? Maybe we'd struggle, maybe we'd thrive, or maybe we'd become something greater together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this mental trip through time and science, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which human species would you want to meet?